What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Keep in touch. Keep in touch. He lost his mobile. He lost his mobile. I will take leave tomorrow. I will take leave tomorrow. Where are the stairs? Where are the stairs? Do you know what this means? Do you know what this means? Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. We can swim well. We can swim well. What's the date today? What's the date today? I want to buy a house. I want to buy a house. What is that? What is that? I would like to speak with Tom. I would like to speak with Tom. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? I've forgotten your name. I've forgotten your name. I'm feeling much better now. I'm feeling much better now. Does he like me? Does he like me? Will you go by bus or plane? Will you go by bus or plane? You have too many books. You have too many books. How was your day? How was your day? When will they come? When will they come? What is the capital of Canada? What is the capital of Canada? What is it? What is it? Should we walk every day? Should we walk every day? Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby? They don't have much time. They don't have much time. What did you say? What did you say? How is your new job? How is your new job? How is business? How is business? What are you doing these days? What are you doing these days? How are you today? How are you today? Today it's my treat. Today it's my treat. Where do you live? Where do you live? I need you so much. I need you so much. Where do they live? Where do they live? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I like to play tennis. I like to play tennis. Nice talking with you. Nice talking with you. They have 3 cars. They have 3 cars. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? He will go by plane. He will go by plane. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? They will come at night. They will come at night. Do they have anything to declare? Do they have anything to declare? It's a chicken salad. It's a chicken salad. Have you heard the weather forecast? Have you heard the weather forecast? He didn't say anything. He didn't say anything. Do you know why? Do you know why?